everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Hi, my name's Emma and I'm a makeup artist. I've actually just filmed a YouTube tutorial on this kind of look. I'll post a link in the comments. But I thought I'd come back on and just do a different tutorial of two different eyebrows. So this is something that people keep asking me all the time. But like I said in my previous video, I've not had time to film anything, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this eyebrow nice and fluffy and show you how to get that like really natural, bold, fluffy type look. And this eyebrow I'm going to do a defined and drawn on eyebrow. So yeah, if you want to find out how I do my eyebrows on different clients and myself, then keep on watching and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so for this eyebrow I'm going to do a fluffy one. So mostly I'm going to be using gel. Just a brow gel, which is the Maybelline Brow Drama Gel, and that's this one here. But also, just to give it that nice and fluffy, more big look, I'm going to be using a little bit of pomade as well, and I'll be using the Eyelure Medium Brown Pomade. So first thing I'm going to do is just brush up my eyebrows. And then with any brow brush, just make sure it's nice and sharp. I'm just going to add in hair strokes all along from the bottom of my brow. And then if your eyebrows don't really go up too much, so they're more thin, then what you can do is draw the strokes just above, and that's going to give you a really nice bushy brow. And then once I've done them strokes, I'm going to go in with the gel and I'm just going to brush all the way up. And that's how I get my big fluffy bushy eyebrow. And then for this eyebrow, we're going to do a defined brow. So I'm going to use just the pomade for this one. So it's the Eyelure one again. And this brush is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Brush. All I'm going to do is brush here. So I'm brushing them up so I can draw the line underneath. When I do a defined brow, I also like to bring it out a little bit further. Making sure the edge is nice and sharp. Then, for the top of the eyebrow, I'm going to brush my natural hairs down. Like this. And then where there's no hair, I'm just going to go over and create the arch and join it together. And the front of the brow, I'm still going to do them little hair strokes, but just not too many, and also not any higher than my eyebrow. And then instead of brushing my hair back up, I'm going to brush it just in the direction of the arch that I've drawn. Like this. And then for the defined brow, I'm just going to use a flat brush. This is my Molly O'Brien Gym Bob brush, which is the M011. And I'm just going to define the underneath. And then obviously we don't want that big line, so I'm just going to go in with a Zoeva 224 brush with a tiny bit of bronzer on. So there's a difference in brows. So obviously we've got the more defined one, and then we've got the really fluffy and brushed up brow. For me, this one is my favourite, but I know a lot of people do still like a defined eyebrow. Okay, so that's it. That's me with one fluffy and bushy eyebrow and one defined brow. The fluffy one is more for me just because I've got big eyebrows, so this defined one just looks really big to me. But obviously I look really, really strange now. But yeah, like I said, this is a video that people have been asking me to do. It's a brow tutorial, so I just thought I'd get them done both on one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for coming back. Make sure you give it a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel.